With Fredo Layport, you can generate and print document at scale. This indeed applies only to scenes in 2D, that is with a camera in parallel projection. And since we deal with scale, we have to set the size of the paper. So let's do that. Paper format for the model. So here we have A4. Let's choose landscape, and let's put a default scale of 110. So 1 meter will be represented by 10 centimeters on paper, and use this scale for all scenes where it's not set individually. Okay, so here the model is very simple. The cube has 1 meter side. So now let's print. So I have the 3 scenes. I use landscape, and we're not obliged to use the same orientation, but let's do that. And let's generate a layout document. So let's open the document. So here is the perspective scene. Let's move to the front view. So you see first the scale is added here, and now here in the model world this is 100 centimeter, and in paper world this is 10 centimeter. Okay, so if you print it or if you generate the PDF, normally you should respect the scale. Okay, same for the top view, where it is 10 centimeter. By the way, I said that you can change the orientation at printing. So let's use a portrait. All this will be generated with the default viewport. Okay, so here is the layout file. Let's move here. So you see the front view in portrait, and again the scale is respected. Okay, it's 10 centimeter. To have more control, you can assign scale individually and also Layport. So let's start with a Layport. So let's create a new Layport. Let's put it in A4 landscape and assign it to the front view and the top view. Okay, and let's show Layport. So by the way, you see the default scale 1/10 in the bottom corner. So now let's assign a scale. So you click on this button, and instead of 1/10, let's put 1/20. So the side of the cube will be 5 centimeter. Okay, so you can of course pan with the shift and middle mouse button. The problem is that you don't really record. Sorry, I was in the front view. You don't really record in the scene, so you have to do update. So you have to, sorry, to do this, set scale, and update. Okay, so let's do it here for and keep 1/10 for the top view. And instead of panning with the shift middle mouse button, you can also press Alt and use the left button, okay, and center the view as you like. The benefit is that it's recorded directly, the same camera is updated. Okay, so now let's generate the document. So let's use landscape and layout document and use Layport. Okay, and let's put a header. So here is a front view. So I said it should be 5 centimeters. Yeah, it is. And for the top view, it should be 10 centimeters. Which is roughly correct. So to conclude, you can assign a scale to a 2D view, parallel projection. It doesn't work. The button here is disabled if you are not in parallel projection. So you assign a scale by clicking here. You type the scale and that's done. If you remove, you can remove the scale, of course, in which case it will take the default for the model. Okay, so, and whenever you type the scale, so let's put 1/30th, okay, so the view is updated, the scene is updated, okay, and from there you just generate the document or print or get the PDF. For example, if we want the PDF, yeah, here it is. So thank you very much, and welcome to Layport.